In this video today, I'm going to talk to you about the new file storage feature that we've recently pushed up to the Giig Hire platform. Now, to keep things simple, file storage basically allows you to add extra documents to the candidates, companies, contacts and jobs that you're tracking via the platform. So to give you an example, if you have a candidate card that's open, you have the CV attached to it, there's now another little tab called Files where you can drag other documents in there. So that might be like the contract, rights to work, personality profile, those types of things. And we also have the ability for you to then create customized folders so you can organize your data storage in however you see fit. Now, before I jump into a demo where I show you how it works, it's important for me just to explain that the file storage isn't part of the free forever version of our platform. We have a free forever version of Giig, which is completely free. All you need to do to sign up is provide us with an email address. There's no credit card required and there's no trial period, so you can use it for as long as you need to. But like I say, this file storage doesn't come with that free forever version. However, it is included in our other two packages. So we have the Giig Starter and the Giig Plus package, which now both have file storage, data storage included in there. Each package has slightly different limits, so you'd have to take a look at both of those and then you can kind of make a call on which one's then going to work for you. So I'll now jump into a demo where I'll show you exactly how this works. I'll run you through adding files to candidates, contacts, companies and jobs. I'll also show you how you make customized folders as well.
So as I mentioned in the opener of this video, the file storage allows you to add extra files alongside candidates, companies, contacts and jobs. And I'll show you quickly how you add a file to each of those. So if I start with candidates, if I go to the database, just open this candidate, for example, you'll see in the tab section that you now have, as well as email, notes, CVs, jobs, you have files. And this is simply a place where you can store all of your files, keep them all attached to this candidate. So if you've got anything that you want to add next to this candidate, you can come in and add documents. As you see here, I'm just going to remove these ones as well. So now it goes back to no files found. To add a document, it's fairly simple. You just click on the upload, find your document. You then choose the folder. So you have folders down here. You have the ability to create different folders. If you want to separate documents into different folders for whatever reason, you can do so. So for this one, I'm just going to go in the public folder and upload that. And there you go. So now the file is stored against that candidate, and it also appears in the all files section and the public folder as well. So you can separate documents, you can adjust things however you see fit. Okay, so if I quickly run you through how the other sections work as well. So for example, jobs, if I come up here and click on this .NET developer job, it's pretty much exactly the same. You come to files and you just have to drop the files in here. Again, you can create folders and you can organize by image file type. So all of that is fairly straightforward. And if I go to companies, it should be exactly the same. So if I open up Giig, you have the files section here. And the last one that we've not done is contacts. So again, open a contact and you'll see you have the file storage section there. So you can now store separate files against the contacts, the companies, the jobs and the candidates. If you also have in the settings what we call a file library. So the file library shows you all of the files that you've got across the candidates, companies, contacts and jobs. So everything will be stored in here. You have the ability to search for that as well. So if you need to find a specific file and you don't want to fish around to find the candidate, the company, the job, whatever it may be, you can come into that section here, go to the file library, and then this will have all the documents in it and you can just search for them as you need them. And then I did kind of touch on it, but I'll go back and I'll show you the folders. So like I say, you've got the ability to create different folders if you want to kind of separate the documents out. And again, fairly straightforward. If you click create, come to the folder option. I'll just say for this one, Luke Pitkin Recruitment. We'll go with that. And then you can decide whether all users can access it or managers only can access it. So if you are the manager on the account, you can basically make the folders private. So that's only you can access that folder and see the documents that's in it. For this one, I'll just click all users. It doesn't really make too much difference. And then come back to files and you can see that it's been added there for me. So that's how you add files. And you also, in the settings page, one final thing that I'm going to show you is we have the option for preset folders. So in preset folders, if you have a specific layout of folders that you want to see for candidates, contacts, jobs, or companies, you can come in here and you can create basically like a folder template. So you add the folders in the settings page here, and then every single time you open a candidate, those folders will appear. So that's a way for you to roll out folders across, say, all of your candidates, so that you don't have to create those folders every time. Every time you open up a candidate, it should just appear for you.